Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And today we will read about the inverse of a matrix and linear equation of chapter 5. Okay. And let's start the topic non-singular matrix. Definition of non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be a non-singular matrix if determinant A not equal 0. For a square matrix A square matrix A is said to be a non-singular matrix if determinant A not equal 0. For example, square matrix A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 5. Order of a matrix A is equal to 2 by 2. 2 by 2, it means square matrix. Row is equal to column. Is a non-singular matrix because determinant A equal to 2, 4, 3, 5 implies 5 into 2, 10, minus 4 into 3, 12 is equal to minus 2, not equal 0. Determinant A not equal 0, it means matrix A non-singular matrix. Okay. Again, A square matrix A is said to be non-singular matrix or invertible matrix or if determinant A not equal 0. For example, square matrix A is equal to something is a non-singular matrix because determinant A equal minus 2. It means determinant A not equal 0. Okay. That is matrix A non-singular matrix. Okay. Second definition, singular matrix. Singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be a singular matrix if determinant A equal 0. Determinant A equal 0, it means matrix A singular matrix. Determinant A not equal 0, it means matrix A non-singular matrix. Okay. For example, matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. It means determinant A equal to 1, 2, 3, 6 implies determinant A equal to 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So, determinant A equal 0. It means matrix A singular matrix. Determinant A not equal 0. It means matrix A non-singular matrix. Okay. Next topic. Adjoint of a square matrix. Adjoint of a square matrix. Okay. Square matrix, it means row is equal to column. The adjoint of a square matrix A equal to Aij M cross N. The adjoint of a square matrix A equal to Aij M cross N is defined as the transpose of the matrix Fij or M cross N, where Fij is the cofactor of element Aij. Fij is the cofactor of element Aij. Exercise 4th. Adjoint of the matrix A is denoted by adjoint A. Adjoint of a matrix A is denoted by adjoint A. Okay. Again, definition of adjoint A. The adjoint of a square matrix A equal to something is defined as the transpose of the matrix Fij. Fij, where Fij is the cofactor of element Aij. According to the chapter number 4th, adjoint of the matrix A is denoted by adjoint A. For example, if matrix A, square matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Order of a matrix A is equal to 2 by 2. It means square matrix. working rule for adjoint A. Working rule for adjoint A. Matrix A is equal to something. So determinant A equal to A11, A12, A22, A22 something. Okay. And matrix of cofactor of element of determinant A. F11 cofactor of element A11, F12 cofactor of element A12, F21 cofactor of element 21, F22 cofactor of element 22. Okay. Cofactor of matrix of cofactor of element of determinant A implies adjoint A is equal to Fij power of T. T it means transpose. Adjoint A is equal to transpose of matrix Fij. Okay. Adjoint A transpose of matrix Fij. It means adjoint A is equal to Fij power of T. T it means transpose. F11, F12, F11, F12 interchanging row and column. Interchanging row and column. F11, F12, F21, F22. 2 by 2. It means adjoint A. Okay. Again, for example, matrix A is equal to matrix A 1, 3, 2, 4. Then find adjoint A. Then find adjoint A. Working rule for adjoint A. First point. So determinant A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4. 4 into 1, 4 minus 3 into 2, 6 is equal to minus 2, not equal 0. If determinant A not equal 0, so the value of the inverse matrix will be possible. Determinant A not equal 0. Determinant A not equal 0. So the value of the inverse matrix A inverse will be possible when determinant A not equal 0. Then A inverse will be possible. Okay. And determinant A equal 0. It means A inverse will not be possible. It means not possible. Okay. So adjoint A, matrix A, determinant A equal to 1, 3, 2, 4, 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2, not equal 0. Okay. So the matrix of cofactor of element of determinant A. Matrix of cofactor of element of determinant A 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay. So cofactor of A11, it means 1. Cofactor of A11 over 1 is equal to 1, leaving the corresponding row and column of element 1, it means is equal to 4, 1, 1, 2. Even number, it means positive. Cofactor of element 3, A1, 2 over 3 is equal to 2, it means minus 2. Because 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, it means odd number. Odd number, it means negative sign. Okay. Formula of cofactor Fij is equal to minus 1 to power I plus j into Mij. Okay. Cofactor of element A21 over 2 is equal to 2, leaving the corresponding row and column is equal to 3. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, it means minus 1 to power 3. Odd number, it means negative sign. Okay. Cofactor of element 2 over 4 is equal to 1. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, even number, it means positive sign. Okay. Odd numbers, negative sign, even number, positive sign. Okay. cofactor of element A11, cofactor of element A12, cofactor of element A21, cofactor of element A22 is equal to something. And Fij is equal to four is equal to F11, minus 2 is equal to F12, 2 is equal to F21, 1 is equal to F22. Cofactor of element A11 is equal to F11. Cofactor of element A12 is equal to F12. Cofactor of element A21 is equal to F21. Cofactor of element A22 is equal to F22. It means F11, F12, F21, F22 equal F11 4 minus 2 minus 3 1 Fij. Okay, adjoint A is equal to Fij power of t. It means transpose of matrix Fij. 4 minus 2 minus 3 1 adjoint A. That is answer. Okay, again square matrix A equal to 1 3 2 4. Then find the value of adjoint A. Working rule for adjoint A: determinant A equal minus 2, not equal 0. Okay, so cofactor of element A11 over 1 is equal to 4. Apply the formula Fij equal to minus 1 to power I plus j into Mij. Okay, A11 equal to F11. Cofactor of element A12 over 3 is equal to minus 2. It means F12. Cofactor of element A21 over 2 is equal to minus 3. It means F21. Cofactor of element A22 over 4 is equal to 1. It means F22. Positive sign even number, negative sign odd number. Okay, because Fij is equal to F11, F12, F21, F22. Putting the value of F11, F21, F12, F22. Okay, Fij. Adjoint A is equal to Fij power of t. Power of t is equal to adjoint A. Okay. Note: for a square matrix A of order 2 by 2. For a square matrix A of order 2 by 2. The adjoint can be obtained by interchanging A12 and A22 and by changing sign of A12 and A21. If matrix A, order of a matrix A is equal to 2 by 2, then direct adjoint A is equal to something. Okay, adjoint A working rule, and order of matrix A equal to 2 by 2, that direct value of adjoint A is equal to interchanging A11 and A22 and by changing sign of A12 and A21. For example, matrix A, order of a matrix A is equal to 2 by 2, A equal to 2 minus 3 2 4 implies direct value of adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to 2 4 interchanging A11 and A22. A11 A22 interchanging, it means 2 4 interchanging 4 2. Okay, interchanging, and by changing sign A12 and A21 sign A12 and A21 changing sign, it means minus 3 plus 3 minus plus 2 minus 2. Okay, adjoint A. In the example, A is equal to 2 minus 4 3 1 2 1 interchanging. Okay, and 3 minus 4 interchange sign. Adjoint A is equal to 2 1 interchanging, it means 1 2 Okay, 3 minus 4 interchanging sign. It means minus 4 plus 3 minus 3 adjoint A. Okay, direct value of adjoint A for matrix A. Okay, next some important for necessary sufficient condition to be non-singular matrix for a square matrix is determinant A not equal 0. Necessary and sufficient condition to be non-singular matrix, it means invertible matrix, inverse matrix for a square matrix is determinant A not equal 0. Determinant A not equal 0. So the value of inverse matrix will be possible. A square matrix is determinant A not equal 0. The value of the inverse matrix will be possible. Inverse matrix, it means A inverse. Okay, A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Thus, A is invertible matrix. A is a invertible matrix. Formula of invertible matrix and or formula of inverse matrix. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Again, necessary and sufficient condition to be non-singular matrix for a square matrix is determinant A not equal 0. Square matrix is determinant A not equal 0. The value of the inverse matrix will be possible. When determinant A not equal 0, then inverse matrix will be possible. And determinant A not equal 0. Determinant A equal 0. It means inverse matrix will not be possible. Inverse matrix not possible when determinant A not equal 0. Okay, and determinant A not equal 0, inverse matrix will be possible. Inverse matrix will be possible, but determinant A equal 0. It means inverse matrix A will not be possible. Okay, determinant A not equal 0. It means inverse matrix will be possible. So A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Thus A is invertible matrix. Okay. Second point, A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into I3 is equal to adjoint A into A. It means left is equal to middle is equal to right side. Okay. Third point, AB inverse is equal to property third. AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. AB inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. A inverse, inverse of matrix A. B inverse, inverse of matrix B. AB multiply matrix A into B of inverse matrix, where A and B are invertible matrix. A and B invertible matrix. It means determinant A not equal 0. Of same order. Same order, it means 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Fourth point, if A is an invertible matrix, then transpose of A is also invertible, and A power of T inverse is equal to A inverse of power of T. Okay, left is equal to right, where A is an invertible matrix. Then transpose of matrix A is also invertible matrix. Okay, not if A and B are two square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint A is equal to determinant of A into In is equal to adjoint A into A, left, middle, right. Okay, adjoint of adjoint A power of T is equal to adjoint A power of T. Matrix transpose of matrix A and add transpose of adjoint A. Left side transpose of matrix A, only transpose of matrix A. Right side transpose of adjoint A. Left is equal to right. Okay. Third point, adjoint AB is equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. Adjoint AB equal adjoint B first into second adjoint A. Left equal to right side. Okay. We will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.